Few automotive brands can claim to have transformed the way an entire nation travels. Yet, that is exactly what Bajaj has accomplished. From humble beginnings as a trading company to becoming one of the largest manufacturers of motorcycles and three-wheelers, Bajaj's journey is a story of innovation, resilience, and a relentless commitment to affordable mobility. For almost a century of business operations, Bajaj has been synonymous with affordability, reliability, and innovation, helping millions of people move, work, and build better lives. From bustling city streets to rural communities, Bajaj's vehicles have become an integral part of everyday transportation. But behind every iconic brand lies an extraordinary story. The story of Bajaj is not merely the story of a company, it's the story of a vision that transformed mobility for generations. Then on this video, we'll visit again one of the dealership store to see and experience actually and personally one of the latest Bajaj three-wheeler vehicle, which is the Bajaj RE, which will share again some interesting facts and information about this kind of motorized vehicle. Then sharing my first ride impression and some of my handheld shots featuring this kind of motorized vehicle. So, eto na nga ang istorya ng Bajaj at ang pag-experience natin kay Bajaj RE. Let's go! The origins of Bajaj can be traced back to 1926, when the visionary industrialist Jamnalal Bajaj establishes the Bajaj Group. Renowned not only for his entrepreneurial spirit, but also for his close association with Mahatma Gandhi, an Indian lawyer, social activist, and political leader who became the central figure of India's struggle during British colonial rule in India. Jamnalal firmly believed that businesses should play a vital role in advancing society and contributing to national development. What started as a modest venture driven by strong values and a bold vision gradually grew into one of India's most respected and influential industrial conglomerates. Today, the Bajaj name stands as a symbol of innovation, reliability, and progress, with a legacy that spans. Facing increasing challenges, traditional motorcycle and sidecar tricycles varied greatly in quality, fuel efficiency, and safety. Recognizing an opportunity to introduce a more standardized solution, Bajaj brought its global successful three-wheeler platform to the Philippine market. The arrival of factory-built Bajaj tricycles offered the fresh alternative vehicles designed from the ground up for passenger transport rather than modified motorcycle with attached sidecars. For many transport operators, this represented a significant step forward. In the Philippines, Bajaj has become particularly famous for its three-wheelers and tricycles. As the Philippine transportation sector continued to grow in the late 20th and early 21st century, operators face increasing challenges. Traditional motorcycle and sidecar tricycles varied greatly in quality, fuel efficiency, and safety. Recognizing an opportunity to introduce a more standardized solution, Bajaj brought its global successful three-wheeler platform to the Philippine market. For many transport operators, this represented a significant step forward. One of the Bajaj greatest contribution to the Philippines has been its role in supporting livelihoods. For thousands of Filipino drivers, a Bajaj tricycle became more than just a vehicle, it became a source of income and financial stability. Every day, drivers use this vehicle to transport passengers, deliver goods, support local businesses, connect remote communities, and provide essential transportation services. The success of Bajaj Tricycle has helped countless families earn a living while contributing to local economic growth. As more Bajaj units appeared on Philippine roads, communities began to recognize the advantages of factory-built three-wheelers. Passengers appreciated from its improved comfort, easier entry and exit, consistent vehicle quality, reliable service. Operators valued lower maintenance costs, better fuel efficiency, durable construction, and long-term reliability. These benefits help establish Bajaj as one of the most recognizable names in the Philippine tricycle industry. The transportation of Bajaj vehicle coincided with broader efforts to modernize local transportation systems. Many local government units began exploring more organized and efficient transport solutions. Bajaj's purpose-built three-wheelers align well with these objectives, offering a practical alternative to improvised vehicle configurations. As a result, Bajaj became a familiar sight in municipalities, cities, and transportation programs throughout the country. Today, Bajaj stands among the world's leading manufacturers of motorcycles and three-wheelers. Yet its success cannot be measured solely by production numbers or market share. The true legacy of Bajaj lies in its impact on people's lives. For nearly a century, the company has empowered individuals, supported businesses, and connected communities through affordable mobility solutions. Whether through the iconic Chetak, dependable RE, or the legendary Pulsar, the Bajaj consistently deliver vehicles that make a difference.
Yun, Bajaj RE. Let's go!
Hi everyone and everybody. So, nagbabalik na naman tayo dito sa panibagong vlog at panibagong content natin about sa isa na namang umatikabong motorcycle review. At for this week content, nagpunta na naman tayo sa isang dealership store para makita actually and personally, then sharing our riding experience dito sa isang motorized vehicle, which is ang sakyang ito ay kilala sa buong mundo bilang isang tricycle. At ito nga ang Bajaj RE. So magkakaroon naman tayo dito sa video ito ng sharing of some important facts and information, then sharing a story about Bajaj story. And also, yun nga, share ko sa inyo ang naging riding experience ko dito sa ganitong klaseng motorized vehicle from Bajaj. So, ano pa nga bang inaantay nyo, everyone and everybody? Sabahan nyo na ulit ako sa panibagong vlog at panibagong content natin ito about sa motorized vehicle na ito, which is Bajaj RE. Let's go! And before we get started again to talk about some interesting facts and information, then sharing story about this kind of motorized vehicle from Bajaj, which is Bajaj RE, ay nagpapasalamat po muli ako sa ating mga loyal subscribers, followers, at viewers ng content at channel na ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyo muli. And kung bago ka lang, napadaan o interesado ka sa mga ganitong content or videos, abay, ano ba nga ba nag-aatupli ka pa dyan, i-hit mo na nga ngayon dyan sa device na ginagamit mo ngayon, ang subscribe button at notification bell para updated ka palagi sa ating mga latest content, videos at posts na usually pinopost at sinashare namin itong video ito kay YouTube, Facebook, and other social media pages. Ipinagpapuna ko na po ang pasalamat sa inyo dahil napili niyo po ang channel na ito para magaling sa inyo ng kakaibang content, amazing videos, and also posts and news about this kind of content na usually pinopost namin at sineshare namin itong video ito every week kay YouTube and Facebook. Maraming salamat po sa inyo ulit.
Yo! Hi everyone and everybody. So nandito na nga ako sa labas at nandito na nga ang isang motorized tricycle na itetest ride natin for this week content and video natin about Pantra motorcycle. Walang iba kundi ang Bajaj RE, isang klaseng motorized tricycle from Bajaj. At magkakaroon nga tayo ng experience, test ride at pagmamaneho dito sa ganitong klaseng motorized tricycle from Bajaj. So samahan nyo na ulit ako para sa video natin ito at content natin about sa pagpicture ng ganitong klaseng motorized tricycle. Let's go! Alright, papasukin na nga natin ng tricycle na to at kita-kita nyo naman ang ganitong klaseng tricycle from Bajaj at talaga namang moderno at talagang maluwag din siya. So pumasok na nga ako. So iba pa rin daw talaga ang pagmamaneho ng ganitong klaseng motorized tricycle kasi yung mechanism ng tricycle na to, nandito yung cambio niya sa left throttle, so at saka yung clutch. So kapag magkakambyo ka sabay, then primera, neutral, sabay down gear. So primera, then the rest ng gearing pababa na siya. Then andito yung throttle nya, foot brake, ito yung handlebar nya. Then display panel niya nandito, start engine niya, disusi siya. Then kapag papanda rin na siya, kailangan daw naka neutral siya, hindi siya andar kapag hindi siya naka neutral. So simulan na nga natin mag test drive na motorsiklong ito. Teka lang, parang wala yatang gasolina. Check ko lang, sabihin ko lang, wait lang. Alright everyone, everybody. So ito na nga, simulan na tayo magmaneho ng ganitong klaseng motorsiklo. So let's go. Yahoo! Nice. Karaniwang tawag dito sa ganitong klaseng sasakyan na ay tok-tok sa ibang bansa. Isa siyang public utility vehicle. Makikita mo normally sa mga Southeast countries like Thailand, Indonesia. Sikat ang ang sasakyang ito. Na-featured na rin ng ganito sasakyan sa iba't ibang pelikula katulad ng James Bond, ayun nga, lakas din na 200 mahigit 200cc ang engine displacement nito. Perfect na perfect pang negosyo, pang travel, personal use, transportation, the best. First gear pa lang siya. Isang amazing at kakaibang experience sa makasakay at ang ating first ride impression dito sa ganitong klaseng motorized tricycle from Bajaj. At kilala nga rin ng Bajaj sa pagmanufacture at produce ng iba't ibang klaseng motorsiklo katulad ng Bajaj Pulsar, Dominar, yan. Yan ang mga ilang kilalang motorsiklo dito na binibenta dito in Philippine market. Tsaka ito ang Bajaj RE. Yun nga pala sinabi ko, meaning ng RE, rear engine, kasi ang makina nito nasa likod. At especially sa makina nito talagang dinisenyo na pang tricycle.
Oh yeah.
Sarap. Lakas din yun. Lakas din ng mga tiok. Sinasaro. Yung gearing nito hanggang 4 gear lang pala ang gearing nito. 1 up, then the rest down na. Ang sarap din, comfortable na comfortable. Pag mamanay ako dito, lalo na dito sa handlebar na to.
Oh yeah.
Kakaiba yung pagkambyo nito, nasa 4 gear na tayo agad. Nice. Really amazing. Wala nga lang pala tong handbrake. Ang handbrake na to yung dihila na, tapos foot brake. Nice. At butit, maganda rin ang panahon ngayon. Kanina kasing umaga naulan, hapon na ngayon, at maganda ang panahon. Lakas. Napapanood ko rin yung mga iba't ibang content creator na ginagamit tong motorized tricycle na to from camping. Then para minapanood ako na ginamit na rin to sa sakyan to sa Philippine Loop. Iniikot ang Pilipinas gamit lang ito. Galing. Pwede naman masada. 50-50 lang. Kasya ang waluan dito. Kaso nga lang yung pagmaneuver mo, dapat dahan-dahan din tayo pag nagmamaneuver. Kasi ano nga, medyo mahaba to, lalo na sa mga likuan. Isa sa pinakamasikat na tricycle sa buong mundo, itong Bajaj motorized tricycle. Hindi lang to sa Pilipinas, buong mundo. Mas talagang kapag ka nakabili ka ng ganitong tricycle, hindi lang talaga pang transportation, pang negosyo pa. Ika nga another source of income and livelihood machine.
Oh yeah.
Lukos oh. No. Nice. Ang convenient niya. The best na the best. Naka-experience ng ganitong ano, klaseng motorsiklo. Nice. Lang. So sabi sa akin, ang ganito pala ang klaseng motorized tricycle ay nagkakalaga ng 250,000 pesos, something like that for pricing. Nagulat nga rin ako, pricey din pala tong ganitong klaseng ano, motorized tricycle. Pero sulit naman kasi magagamit mo to sa kung ano nung kapakipakinabang na kagamitan ng motorsiklong ito. Okay na. Ma'am, isang ikot na lang ako. Okay na ako. Diyan doon sa Triumph. Okay. Isa na lang. Napasarap siya. Ayaw pa naman. Maneuver. Okay naman. Alright, dito na nga nagtatapos pag-experience, pag-test ride at pagmaneho ng ganitong klaseng motorized tricycle from Bajaj, which is Bajaj RE. At talaga naman na natin na-experience na naman natin na ang ganitong klase sasakyan na maghahatid sa atin ng kakaibang content at pag-feature dito sa channel na ito. And that's all everyone and everybody. We'll see you again to our next content and video. Goodbye everyone. Ito na. Yun. Nice. Nice.
Pilipino kahit sa napakaliit na lugar.
Alright everyone and everybody, so dito na nga nagtatapos ang video at content natin ito about sa pagtalakay ng ganitong klaseng motorized vehicle from Bajaj, which is Bajaj RE. At sana ay nagustuhan nyo at na-appreciate malakad pa paano ang pag-share ng story about Bajaj and this kind of motorized vehicle from Bajaj, which is nga Bajaj RE. At makita-kita tayo sa sunod nating content at video sa content at channel na ito. At muli, ito si Mike Moto TV or Mike Moto Vlog. See you again guys!